and this is the carpet demonstration, Jaipur Mahal.
And this hand block printing we are doing with the help of these blocks. And these blocks are made of wood, the teak wood, which is very hard, so it will long last. First of all, we have to get the photo of the design, what sort of design, and then give that photo to the carver, and he do the carving on the wood. It will be something like this, a design. And then we do on cotton, chiffon, silk, even on pashmina wool we can do something like this. And the colors what we are using is 100% vegetable, natural colors we are using here. Let me show you a small demo so you can understand much better how we do it. For example, on this one we are making an elephant design with the 4 different blocks. That means 4 different colors we will use. This is the first one, and this is the main block, the outline for the elephant. Now this is the first block, which will be just the outlines for the elephant. We have to put it in the middle here and then bang it with this palm like this. And you will see the outlines here. You will see. And then the second one, when we are going to use the second one we need to match the points. There are some certain points. For example, this is the point which we have to match it here, and this is the point which we have to match it here. And how we do it, now let me show you. Now this is the point here, match it here, and then bang it. And you will see the second color like this. And then the third color, with the third block, here the matching point are the foot. So we have to match the foots. Now see like this. And here. And you will see the third color will be something like this. And this is the last one, and it will complete the elephant. This is the 4th color. And we have to match the trunk here and the tails. And you will see the complete elephant like this. And once it's been done, then we need to put it on the sunlight. Why? Because these are the natural colors, so the sun will oxidize these colors and these colors will be changed. And it will take 24 hours to change the colors. And you don't have that much of time. So for you people, I will show you chemically how it changes the colors. Before, when it will oxidize, and when after oxidize, how it looks like. Now let me show you. After doing the oxidization, it will be something like this. This is a totally different color. And then we wash it with the salt and the water. The salt will fix the colors. So afterwards you can wash it in a washing machine with the hot water, with the cold water, the color won't run. It will stay like this. This is how we do the hand block printing. And besides this, we do hand knotted carpets. This is the rough wool. So what we have to do, we have to give this rough wool to the lady. She has to put this rough wool on these ones and make the plies. 1, 2, 3, and 4 ply in one thread and make the ball something like this and give all the material to the weaver. So he can start on the working on the carpet. But how he make the carpet, let me show you. This whole thing, we call it loom. This is the cotton backing of the carpet, on which the knotting we can do with the wool or with the silk. And how we make the knots, we take this one thread from the front, one from the back, make a knot like English 8, pull it down and cut it with a knife. आप इनको वहाँ ले जाओ, मैं आ रहा हूँ. See? And cut. So each and every knot of the carpet we do one by one. And it's millions and billions of knots in carpet. And when we complete the row of knots from this end to this end, then we pass a cotton thread between these two strings, so the knots won't come up. And then beat it with the beater. So the carpet get tighter, and we can put more and more number of knots. This size carpet, 4 feet by 6 feet, it will take 5.5 months to make the carpet. And once we will complete the carpet, then we give more finishing touch to the carpet. And how we do that, I will show you. Come here. This is having some fluff on the carpet. So we don't need this extra fluff. So what we do, we burn the carpet from the back side of the carpet. How we burn it, Jala? Huh? Jala. See, we have to burn the extra fluff with the help of this blue lamp. See, once it's been done, then we do have the hard brush here. See, like this. See, and it's gone. Then we have to wash it with ordinary detergent soap and plain cold water. We do have to wash it, and then we have to shave it. We shear the pile of the carpet. First we have to comb it like this, take out all the rough wool from the carpet, and then we shear the pile of the carpet with the help of this scissor.
ये ऑर्डर से मंगवाए आपके लिए
Huh?
ये ऑर्डर से मंगवाए इतना परेशान होते हैं हाई से
Now see, the design is coming clear. This is the most important section for us because in this section we are giving finishing touch to the carpet.
विकास
And these scissors, these are the special kind of scissor. We have given an angle to this scissor so it keeps the level of the carpet. It won't damage the level of the carpet also. And how it looks like when it will be ready. Now let me show you my ready product, the finishing product.
अंकल अभी अभी से हटाएंगे
This is local wool from Rajasthan. This is the bottom quality of wool what we make here. This is having less number of knots. This is having 144 knots in 1 square inch, which is minimum. And that thing, you can see it from the back side. Not good quality. This is Kashmir wool. This is Kashmir wool, which is the best in the world. Now, see here, this is the camel wool, which is the special quality of wool. Now, look at this. This is the special quality of wool. This is the camel, which is the best in the world. पीछे से दिखा इसको. And see it from इसी को घुमाता ना. Now see the quality from the back side. Much clear. That means the quality of this carpet is much better. रख दे नीचे. Then we make them in different size. This is 4 feet by 6 feet. This is 3 by 5. This is one more 3 by 5. This is camel wool 3 feet by 5 feet. Look at this. This is camel wool. Now this is 2.5 feet by 4 feet. Small size. This is one more design. Special design from India. Rajasthan, this design. And this is the smallest. This is 2 feet by 3 feet. Look at this. Now we pack it very small so people can carry it very easily. Even smaller than this we can pack it so people can carry it very easily, and you will see the weight. This is just 800 grams. And you can just check the weight.
Okay, this is the textile room, very colorful.